Hello. Looking to get started with getting your Square account ready? You'll find your welcome email. Go ahead and find the Square sign up link. Hit Control, click, and that will launch a Chrome browser or whichever browser you use for you to go ahead and sign up. Go ahead and enter your information. Once you've entered all of your information, make your I agree selection and click Continue. Next, you're going to have to answer a series of questions and fill out some additional information about you and your business. I usually select Other, enter my business name and some of those other information details found below. Click Next. Find the type of business you'd like to select. Click Next. And then here you can go ahead and click on Skip to kind of avoid making selections at this time. If you want to make selections, you can, but you can always go back in and make different selections later on. Some of those choices will help you kind of customize your home Square dashboard, but you can always go in and edit those things and adjust things as you go. Finally, I'm going to click Remind Me Later. And then finally, we have to enter some personal information. Once you've entered all of that information, go ahead and click on Verify. It may take a moment for this to clear and go through. But once it does, if this is your first time signing up, it will say Welcome to Square and give you the promotion. If this is not your first time signing up, it will share this information and you can just continue without free processing. You still get all the same features and awesome benefits that Square offers all of their customers. And then you can go ahead and click on Skip right here. Click Next. And at this point, you can go to your dashboard. And from here, you can go ahead and begin editing things and getting everything set up the way that you want. What I love about Square is they do provide you with a kind of quick step access guide right here in the front and center. If you end up clicking this, it will bring it up here to your dashboard, kind of notification area. But this kind of allows you to click on an area, finish steps. You can also, if you don't want to do that step or if you want to avoid it, you click the X there and it will kind of check that off for you. You can, of course, view all steps and everything will be listed here for you in different categories. And as you get things finished, your setup guide will eventually go up to 100%. But anyways, good luck. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.